Are you reading Mommy a story? Yeah. Tell me a story, baby. You want to show me something? Show me your nose. That's right. Oh! You be careful, yeah. What about your hair? Yeah, that's your hair. Where's your cheeks? Cheeks, that's right. What about your teeth? Teeth, yeah. I know, you're silly. What about your eyes? Show Mommy your eyes. Is it time to put the babies to bed? Okay, put the babies to bed. Go put them in their crib. Say night-night, babies. Yeah. Go put them in their bed. Go on. No, right there. Say night-night, baby. Good job. No, don't give them to me. Put them in their bed. Yeah. Great job. Night-night, babies. Night-night, babies. Why don't you go tell them a story? Oh. Really? You picking a book? You picking a story? That one? Okay. Are you picking out of your library of books? Those are your books from Giovanni and Mia. Peekaboo. I see you. All right, Muffin. Really? You want to do Stinky Face for Mommy? Stinky Face. You want Mommy to read you a story? Yeah? Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You wave into the book? Wave to the camera. Say bye-bye, everyone. Hey. Say bye-bye. Okay, I love you. Mwah.